Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And what we have here is a 77 KZ1000 that we purchased some time ago. And the name of the bike is Nasty Habit. And the reason why we call it Nasty Habit is because that's written on the back tail section, so it's all good. Okay, I want to talk about the motorcycle a little bit. I don't want to represent this as a perfect motorcycle, but what a nice everyday rider. So starting with the back, it's got a decent used rear fender that we put on it. It's got a grab bar that we put on it. When I first got the bike, it had a step seat on it, as you'll see in the pictures beforehand. This is a 76 seat because of this pattern here. If we look underneath the seat, you can see here it's got the stock air box here. It's got the rings here are missing here, but that's not the end of the world. Seat's in pretty good shape. It is original. It's not all gooned up. Still got the stickers here, even though it's not original paint. Got the drawer back here with the manual. Nice book. Got the seat lock is working and everything. Got the lid here for the air box. Now, if we come here, we can see that it has the new side covered emblems. So got the sticker on the frame. On the other side of the bike right here, as you can see, there's a broken tab. There's a broken mounting tab right here. So we have a tie wrapped on here at the front, but the rest of the tabs are okay. But I just want to bring that to your attention. So that's a small problem, but not a major one. We have on this side of the motorcycle here, you can see where we added a nice used chain guard. This is a really nice used chain guard. Needs a little cleanup and stuff, but it's nice. Got brand new sprocket locks, replated sprocket bolts, new nuts. The chain adjusters are all replated. Got the right spacers here and everything. New shock bolts. We had the shock springs replated. Genuine footrests and everything are good. Now we've got the exhaust here. The exhaust has some pitting here. It's not perfect, but it's got some pitting and little scratches here and there. This is an exhaust I've been hanging on to for a long time, just waiting for a nice bike to put it on. This has all been replated. The side covers are pretty nice. Replated nut here. This is all replated stuff. And these are replated clamps here for the airbox. This is all still pliable. Carburetors have been gone through. Petcox has been serviced with all new O-rings and everything. So this is actually a pretty nice bike. Most of the hardware has been replaced. New cam cover bolts right here. New cam cover end plugs. It's got a new gasket, obviously. New exhaust gaskets. All this has been replated. The exhaust holders and everything. Got the right clamp here and everything for the clutch cable. The clutch cable is new, and we import these from Japan, and these are really, this is nice stuff. Clutch works nice. Currently, this switch is not working properly, and the high beam is not working on the light. We are going to fix that, but I just want to point that out. Another bad point here is we have a broken cylinder fin right here. Broken fin. Not the end of the world, but just something we have to show you. All the engine mounts are replated and everything. I don't see any dents in the tank. The gas tank has been lined. It looks like they did a good job of it. We added some really nice used original grips for it because I like the original grips. Got new handlebar bolts. The center bolt is new. The washer is new. The fork seals are new. Fork outer covers are still the used ones. Have some very, very minor cracking, but it's good for the patina of the bike. Front brake caliper has been rebuilt. New front tire. As you can see, this is all replated here and everything on the inside of the caliper. Fork tubes are in really nice shape. Put some decent headlamp stays on it. They're pretty nice. Got a chrome headlight bucket instead of the stock black one. Got a new button here to keep the water out. Got the chrome covers here and everything. These are used ones, but they're still pretty nice. So fender, the chrome's not perfect, but it's pretty cool. Then if we come to this side of the bike, this has all been cleaned out with new fluid. Got the new tachometer cable, new speedometer cable. This side of the bike's been cleaned up pretty nice. There is an issue right here on this exhaust pipe. Has a gouge right here. It's not a hole, but it's a little gouge. But it's still stock. All this has been all replated. This rod here has been replated, and the shocks springs have been replated. All this hardware here has been replated. Caliper's been rebuilt. Got the new shield here for the inspection of the brakes. So all in all, this is a pretty nice motorcycle. Still has the original decal on the front of the frame. Looking pretty good. So we're gonna fire this up, see how it runs, and we're gonna be offering this for sale on eBay. And we have some low-cost shipping available as we race motorcycles all over the place. We still have a little bit of work to do to it. I want to ride it 100 miles to make sure everything is good, which we do to most of them. So let's fire it up. The motor is just a hair warm. I'm going to put the fuel tank on reserve. No choke. I'm going to try this with no choke. It's a quiet motorcycle. Really quiet. Not smoking. So I'm going to take her down off the center stand. The motor sounds nice. Goes into gear really nice. Front brake works really nice. We're going to do some more stuff to it. I'm going to try to put 100 miles on it. The gauges are a little foggy on the inside. Not bad, but it is what it is. Sounds like the chain guard's hitting the chain a little bit, so we're going to look into that a little bit. And this is basically the maiden voyage for it here, just to kind of show you what it was all about. But I imagine in the next 100 miles we'll be able to find some more things, maybe not. And I think it'll turn out to be a nice bike for somebody. Well, thanks. Good luck bidding, and we'll keep you posted on it. Thanks a lot.